you guys are engineers and industrial designers. We know you're not making bad products out there. You guys are making good products. You're testing them the best you can. You're going to some standards. But sometimes customers still don't like them. Sometimes customers still have these bad reviews, these zero reviews on Amazon. Why? There's a great book out there called Predictably Irrational, and it talks about anchoring, and it talks about how people set their expectations. So I recommend you read it. But basically, a lot of expectations humans set for things are irrational. Let me show you an example that's not in the book, but a real simple example. Let's say we had a leather coat. Now, Al, if I told you I went to Walmart and I found a really good leather coat for $50, how long do you think how long would you expect that coat to last?
Well, see, I like to think of myself as thrifty, so I would like to think that that coat is going to last me forever. But realistically, I know, probably I'll be lucky if I get 6 to 8 months out of it.
Okay, yeah, I would say about a year, right? So that's what people think. If you go to Walmart, you find a nice coat, maybe it'll last a year. What if I told you, Al, I went to New York and found a really expensive boutique, and I bought that coat for $500? Now what do you think?
I would say you got ripped off, my friend.
But how long do you think it would last? How long would you expect it to last?
I would expect that to last forever, and then forever beyond me as well.
Right. Easily 10 times longer, right?
At least.
But maybe there isn't a way with our physical processes to make coats last 10 times longer, right? Maybe parts of coats just happen to wear out. And so it's this perception of value versus what I'm getting that tends to hurt products. If I went and told you I bought this from the highest, most expensive, coat factory out there for Zeri, our expectations would change again on how long this coat should last or on how much social status it should give me. Right? Same idea if I show you one of these. We can see a lot of smooth edges. A lot of consumer design went into this. If I told you I went and got this from Walmart, they could sell this toy at Walmart. There's a certain perception of how long it should last. How long should my kids be able to play with it? If, however, I told you I went and got it from Brookstone, same exact toy, me personally, my expectations raise. Right? And if I tell you I went to the NASA store down in Cape Canaveral and I got this from the most expensive, designed by NASA engineer store, our expectations change again. Okay? These are really, really simple examples. The ones in the book are much better. They take a lot longer to explain. But the point is, customers perceive your products to be able to last based on the price, based on where they bought it, based on just your brand name. Right? Maybe even if it's not physically possible to make your product last 10 times longer than your competitor, maybe your customers might expect that.